In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete payroll exports. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, choose Payroll Exports. You should arrive at a list of your current payroll exports. To edit one, click on that payroll export, and now you can change any of this information. Let's say I want to change the name. I could delete this and choose Coffee Shop C. Then I need to change the description to Coffee Shop C only. I could also change the format and the compact settings. If you're happy with your changes, click Save. And now those changes have been saved. I can also edit the fields. If I click on the field name, I will be taken to the details. Maybe I want to change the description and say date of shift. I could also change the type, the order, the field type, the format, and the width. If you changed your mind and you don't want to make this edit, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. That's how you can edit a field. If you changed your mind and you just don't want that field at all, click on the field name and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that field. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that field has been deleted. If you changed your mind and you don't want this payroll export at all, click Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this payroll export. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that payroll export has been deleted. That's how you can edit and delete payroll exports in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.